James here from Capital Industrial. Today we're going to look at our Olympic 7K economy car hauler. The frame is made out of angled steel, and this trailer has a gross vehicle weight rating of 7,000 pounds. You will find the N ATM sticker on all of our trailers, meaning that this trailer is compliant and meets all administrative and safety standards of the road. Here is the breakaway group breakaway kit. Here's the Seal Co. watertight molded harness, which keeps all the electrical wiring dry. Towards the end of the trailer, you'll see we have 50-inch slide-in load ramps that can easily be stored behind the fenders. This makes loading and unloading easy. The ramps are designed to seat nicely into the groove at the tail end of the trailer. 10 stake pockets for tying down or installing a railing. This trailer can be customized to fit your daily needs, ranging from upgraded paint colors, flooring options, custom toolboxes, a winch mount, or LED lighting. If you need something customized on your trailer, we're the ones to do it. If you want to learn more about our 7K economy car hauler, give us a call or send us an email. Time to go.